Alright guys, today we're working on a 2004 BMW 325 Xi. We're just going to be doing a quick oil change on it. First we need a what? What is this? A 17mm socket to do the drain bolt here. Kind of tucked up here on the side. Just get that loose. Want to get the drain pan out of here so we don't make a mess. Unlike the last oil change we did. That doesn't want to come out by hand. That's okay. There we go. We're going to let that drain. While that drains, we're going to go back up top and do the oil filter. Okay, back up top here, we're going to remove the oil filter. Takes a 36 millimeter socket here. And this isn't on here crazy tight or anything, so there we go. Sometimes it comes out in the canister, sometimes it doesn't. Can't tell you why either way. Just getting some paper towel so I don't make a huge mess. Just kind of let it excess drip off in there. I just put it right back into the new oil filter box. That way I'm not going to be making a mess everywhere. Alright, now a couple things need to happen with the oil filter housing here. So there's an O-ring that's on here that we need to take off. I just take my pick, go around to get the old one off. The new one, just a little bit of oil that's on my fingers. I'm going to run around it. Just gonna slide it over and just goes on with my fingers. Make sure you get it in this groove that's around here. Otherwise, it'll leak. So we're going to get our new oil filter from BMW. Stick that in. It should fit tight up in there. Put this on. A little bit of force to push it down because it is a little spring loaded. Get our tightening tool. I can tell once it hits that seal, get a little resistance. That's it for the oil filter. Oil filter is done. Let's go back below let's insert our drain plug and fill it full of oil. All right, looks like it's finished draining for the most part. We got a little residual in there, no big deal. Gonna go ahead and put our drain bowl back in. Make sure you always put a new, if you can see it here, copper washer, crush washer on that drain plug. Wipe down any excess that's on there. Just do a finger tight right there. Just make sure you have it so it's not cross-threaded. Certain point just wants to go on its own. And honestly, this is one, since it has the crush washer on there, you just have to really just snug it down. You don't have to go He-Man on it or anything, just snug it down. That's it. I like to just clean up a little bit. I know it's the bottom of the car, it gets dirty, but alright, with that, let's go back up top. Let's fill her full of oil. Alright, we're ready to fill. I'm using BMW 5W40. This car takes 8 quarts, or roughly 7.5 liters. Alright, that's it, guys. Just wrap it up, put an oil cap back on. Simple as that. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Thanks.